It's 7:28 or 19:28 here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we are still at work here. Went back to it after dinner. We're putting together Karen and Roy's snowblower. So, yeah, this is what happens if you bend this shaft. You gotta pretty much rebuild the entire thing here. It was running for a period of time, probably many years, bent, which was okay. It worked just fine, but we because of that, we have to replace the bushings inside of here. And then here, there's another one that we have to replace. That's what this guy is. There's two of them. Then we have to put this new shaft in. We were questioning this shaft, so we have an additional one of them over here. So then you gotta stick it all back together there. Then you gotta come over here and bend this guy back. Right up, right there. That is the reason that this probably all occurred. So when you hit something, this is probably one of the more worst case scenarios that the machine is still worth fixing. You hit something here. It's designed to shear this pin, but it can shear the pin. In this case, it blowed out the bearings on both sides here from what I had saw. We bent the metal shaft that goes into the second stage there. We wore out both of the bearings that are going side to side in the case. The only thing we really didn't seem to wear was that center gear is actually in good shape to accept the other worm part. So yeah, this is a good snowblower. It just it's definitely caught a rock or two or three. So alright guys, be blessed. I gotta get working. It's 7:30. I want to be done, but the snow thankfully has allowed good problems to occur. Alrighty guys, peace.